dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The leadership crisis rocking the Labour Party has resulted into the dissolution of the executive committee of the party in Edo State. Moving on, we have the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of Economy, Wale Edu, says that Nigeria economy is experiencing a positive growth rate of 2.99%, surpassing the 2.3% growth seen in the first quarter of 2023. But guys, before we comment fully, welcome back to this wonderful channel to bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed with the news. The leadership crisis rocking the Labour Party has resulted into the dissolution of the executive committee of the party in Edo State. The sudden dissolution might not be unconnected with the suspension of the national chairman of the party, Julius Abure, by his ward chairman. The suspension was also ratified by the Kelly Ogbalo State Escos last Friday. The party has also constituted its 17-man caretaker committee headed by a former Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Mrs. Elizabeth Ativie, to oversee the affairs of the state chapter of the party in the interim. So they are also expected to work in conjunction with the party's governorship candidate, Olumide Akpata, towards ensuring victory in the governorship election that is coming up on September 21st, 2024. The Deputy National Chairman of the party, Dr. Ayo Olorufemi, inaugurated the interim state executive committee on Monday in Benin. So while administering the oath of office, Dr. Olorufemi said that the new leadership of the party in the state came on board due to the expiration of the tenure of the Ogbalo-led executive committee, which ended in April 2024. So according to him, he said the new leadership is expected to take charge of the affair of the party, pending when a fresh Congress would be held to elect a new executive in the state. Dr. Olorufemi added that the party decided to appoint Mrs. Elizabeth to head the committee due to her positive and result-oriented track record in all political positions so far. Also speaking, the secretary of the party, Osat Emmanuel, lauded members of the party for their turnout during the inauguration. While contacted on phone, Mr. Kelly said that he was neither aware of any committee put in place nor a change of leadership. He claimed he still remained the state chairman. At a press briefing held last Friday night, the Kelly-led state ESCOs ratified the earlier suspension of Julius Abure as national chairman by the Ward 3 chairman of the party in Iro-Uromi, Esan, northeast local government area of Edo State, Mr. Thompson Ihigwese. Ihigwese in his suspension letter explained the decision that was reached after a rigorous deliberation of his high-handedness and anti-party activities and allegation of fraud leveled against him, which are presently being investigated. While the suspension is with immediate effect, he was advised to refrain from holding out or parading himself as a member of Labour Party Ward 3 Eru Uromi Eastern North East local government area of Edo State. My people, not be small kasala they happen for Edo State. Now different parties they fight for their own. PDP they fight, Labour Party they fight. Now they've suspended Kelly and they appointed Elizabeth, but it's still a drag position. Say nice to be the leader. There's no way they can suspend him. They also suspended Abure, and Abure said they lack the power to suspend him, that if at all his suspension wants to come up, it should be from the top, not from the party. My people, don't be small matter. I hope this coming election will be peaceful. I hope they resolve the crisis before the governorship election comes up. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, and opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edu, says that Nigeria economy is experiencing a positive change at the rate of 2.99%, surpassing the 2.3% growth seen in the first quarter of the 2023. According to Wale Edu, he said President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration is on track to lift many Nigeria out of poverty. The Nation reports that Wale Edu stated this during the representation of his ministry performance 1 year into the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in Abuja on Tuesday. He said that the improvements in economic growth highlights the effectiveness of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's economic strategy. Wale Edu noted that agriculture that is the critical sector of the economy, is showing marginal growth. It said the sector progress is expected to play a significant role in combating inflation, especially through a favorable wet season harvest that should stabilize food prices. He said by managing the food price index effectively, the government aims to alleviate one of the major pressure points on inflation. That this growth in agriculture provide the monetary authority with the leverage needed to stabilize foreign exchange. By continuing on this path and intensifying their efforts, they are on track to lift many Nigerians out of poverty. He added that revenue collection has also seen significant improvements. My people don't be small. Voila, let him explain to Nigeria how would that happen. Because many people now, many APC supporters will definitely believe what he's saying. Because a few months before Buhari left his office, they were still saying all this. Until now, things keep getting worse. It can't be like say his own regime come worse past Buhari own. We know say we don't dey suffer they come. But this one can't throw us into pro max suffering. Nigerians are not poor. With all our natural resources, we are not poor. So I think incompetence is the real poverty in Nigeria. Honestly, this thing he's just saying and singing it as a song is the same song Mohammed Buhari and his ministers sang for 8 years, and we didn't see any positive change. And now they have continued from where he stopped. Why is it that this is the only thing the entire APC seems to always talk about? That is how Buhari spent 8 years lifting people out of poverty. Yet, people are still wallowing in poverty. No positive change since 8 years. And now they've started from where Buhari stopped. They are still singing it as a song. These people are not living in Nigeria with us. You can tell with what they are saying. Forget it all. Because the way would they see this country, people don't give up already. This is just like living in 21st century where everything is high paced with new technology and innovation. Then you bring in someone to manage the finance of a crypto economy who probably use, flip up phone or BlackBerry. We are doomed then. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation lively because many in Nigeria don't hear this talk tire. They're going to lift Nigeria out of poverty. Meanwhile, poverty they expand. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. Really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for staying to us. To all our viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys.